Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 22nd, 2024, and we're out here in the garden. Our tomato seedlings. Over here. Take off all this dead stuff here. These are ready to start going in the ground. We already have 3 put in. The ground was tilled last night, so it had a chance to dry off. We've already put in broken down horse manure, and we've added in about a handful of Epsom salt per hole, and we mixed that all in. You can see down here, some here you can see. And then we went ahead and we put in some blood meal. So this is tomato Big Beef Plus. We're going to start planting this. They did get dry. The wind is blowing. I had watered them, but with as hot as it is right now, with the wind blowing, it's just drying everything out. Our water spigot is working on being fixed, so we can get these watered. So I'm going to rough the root system up here on this. Feed this up through. Any leaf that looks like it has any kind of damage on it, I'm just taking that off. This one here is just wilted from being dry. I would have preferred them to be made wet again, but they're calling for severe thunderstorms for us. So these are going to get watered just as soon as the water spigot is fixed. Take our little reservoir here for hold our water. Got to do that on those 3 there. This will hold our water in. When it's watered, the water will seep down in, and we'll get these nice and moist. We're going to take all these lower leaves off here. Anything that's going to be underground or touching the ground, we don't want that. Anything that looks damaged or doesn't quite look the way that it should, it's coming off. This right through here. Oops, broke that one off. And we'll come out here then with our green ties, and we'll get these tied up. So we're kind of late getting our garden actually in. We did have a fresh tomato yesterday out of the greenhouse. That one is a greenhouse resident in the bedhouse greenhouse. And it grows right in the raised beds in there with the flowers. That was a nice treat to have. So we've been getting so much rain, and this was the first that was really dried off that it can even be tilled, because we were sinking just trying to walk through here before. So we're trying to get as much stuff in as we can before the next storms come. So we got these here planted so far. And this tomato plant here is our Mr. Stripey heirloom tomato. And we've been growing this for years. We had this from when I was little. And when I started growing this one here back, I think it was like 2009, I started collecting seeds from it, so this here is one of the ones from the seeds that I've been collecting over the years. And this is a wonderful tasting tomato. It's an Old English hothouse variety. It is a little bit more to grow this one. Sometimes it can be a little temperamental, but I'm just going to take off any leaves here that have anything in that I don't want on. And what I'm saying is anything that looks a little bit yellow, if it has any spots in, they're coming off, and then we're just going to get rid of them. This has a wonderful sweet flavor to it, and it's one of our favorite tomatoes to grow. You can can with it if you mix it in with the other red tomatoes because it is a lower acid tomato. Really sweet flavor. It is a bicolor. Now, I have never had this one crossed with the other tomatoes. I've always had it stay the same. It is an open pollinated heirloom. I do have other videos on my channel, which I will put a thing that you can click on to see some other videos for the Mr. Stripey tomato.
Sometimes you wish you had a big shade cloth over, huh?
It would help with as warm as it is out today. Yeah. Okay, so I'm still planting. The water line was fixed, so we're starting to get these watered here. Okay, so today is May the 25th, 2024, and I'm finishing up the tomato planting video. We also planted an early girl tomato and the early treat hybrid tomatoes. The early treat hybrid tomato is one of the earliest giving tomatoes that I know of. It rained the day that we were planting these, so I had to wait to finish the video because we put the fence back up and couldn't get in. So we do have some sunburned leaves. It's not too bad. They should have been hardened off longer. So we have a tomato hanging on one of these. I think it's up further. We already have our fence up. These are blooming. I'm going to try and find the one with the tomato on it. There's one with a tomato on it. I know it is.
Yes, there's two little ones like that.
So this is one of the early treat hybrid tomatoes here. And it already has a little tomato on it. So we're excited to try the new varieties that we're growing this year, see how they do for us. We're hoping to be able to get to do some canning and making some spaghetti sauces and a lasagna sauce. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That tells you I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.